Well, hi, my name is Rog and welcome to the Gourmet Grandad cooking channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make croutons, crispy crunchy croutons to go with any salad or to go with anything that you like really. But I'm going to do them a bit different. I'm going to do these in a Tefal Actifry Airfryer. The reason for this is, quite simply, it's easy. We start with a nice loaf of bread and we're going to cut this into chunks. I like my chunks of bread for the croutons quite large, and I take the crusts off too, but you don't have to if you don't want to. It's everybody's choice really, and this is what I end up with. This size, it suits me just fine. Now I'm going to squirt this over with some olive oil and some sea salt, grind this over. Obviously I'm going to do this on both sides of the bread as much as possible, it's always a bit difficult. And then I'm going to go over some freshly cracked black pepper. Nice bit of seasoning there, gives this a wonderful flavour. And then I'm going to add my little twist, my little extra bit, some oregano, a little herby flavour. It really does enhance these croutons so much. There we go, just a little sprinkling, not too much. Then again we do the other sides. Here's our Actifry. If you notice, it's got a little paddle in the middle there, and this really helps a lot. It saves flipping them all over by hand. I mean, this little job, this does it for you. It's an incredible machine, really. After about 15 minutes, this is what we've got. Our lovely croutons. Look at that colour. Brown and crispy on the outside, and it's just perfect on the inside. We'll put these onto a plate so you can have a good view. Now we're going to have a little taste test. Well, sure are crunchy and just right in the middle. Loads of flavour, salt, pepper, the seasoning's brilliant, and that little touch of oregano just sprinkled over gives it that lovely herby flavour. Really good. Good on soups, good in salads. Please try these for yourself. If you haven't got an Actifry, use another air fryer. Here are a few shots afterwards. Don't they look nice? Perfect. Go with any salad. Thanks guys for watching this latest video of mine. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and share this video to all your friends and everybody you know, and it will really help my channel. Thanks again. See you next time.